Welcome or welcome back. So this is my first relaxer update video of 2023. So for those of you who did not know, I was relaxer stretching for 4 months, and to do that I braided my hair. So I've removed the braid and I did relax my hair in January 2023. So actually I did my relaxer in the first week of January. So this is how my hair looked when I took out the braids. And this is how my hair actually look on the day of my relaxer. So I have a surprise for you. These are the products that I decided to use for my relaxer day. So let's take a look. So this is the relaxer that I'm now using, the Design Essential Relaxer, and this is a conditioning relaxer. I love the ingredients in this particular relaxer because it is quite safe to use on my hair, and that's the reason why I chose this relaxer. Actually, when I went to the beauty supply store, a little story time. When I went to the beauty supply store, I went there in order to purchase the Affirm relaxer. But when I went, they did not have the Affirm relaxer in the jar like this one. So I decided that I would try out the Design by Essential relaxer, seeing that they had it in the tub. And in fact, when I looked at the ingredients of the Affirm relaxer and the Design Essential relaxer, I realized that guess what? The ingredients are actually the same. And so I felt comfortable in choosing this particular relaxer. For those of you who have been keeping up with the news about relaxer causing cancer, one of the ingredients that is found in some relaxer is formaldehyde. And I'll put up the name of the particular formaldehyde that is sometimes found in the relaxer. So unbeknown to me, when I did some research, I realized that you have different types of formaldehyde. And it has been known for many years now that formaldehyde can cause cancer. And so if that is in your relaxer, of course, you do not want to use that particular relaxer. So hence the reason why I chose to go with the Affirm. However, I did not get that, but I got the Design Essential Relaxer. And in this particular relaxer, there is no formaldehyde, which I am absolutely grateful for. On the day of my relaxer, I enjoyed using the Design Essential Relaxer. It was very thick, it laid on the hair, it wasn't runny, and it did leave my hair quite conditioning after rinsing it out. I can't tell you in so much words how much I enjoyed using this particular relaxer, and I am indeed happy with my purchase of this relaxer, the Design Essential Relaxer. Now, after I processed my hair with this relaxer, I went in with none other than the Design Essential Almond Butter Express Instant Moisturizing Conditioner. So this is a conditioner that I use. However, I will say that I did not like how my hair felt after the relaxer, and I thought it would have been more moisturizing on my hair. I haven't used this particular product since I've done my relaxer, so I will definitely give you an update as to how this particular product worked. So just in case you're thinking, did I put the conditioner on my hair after the relaxer? No. I actually went in with the Motions non-sulfate neutralizing shampoo. When I went to the beauty supply store, they did not have the Design Essential neutralizing shampoo, and I already had the Motion neutralizing shampoo, so I use it. I really love using this shampoo because it's color coded. So once there's still relaxer in your hair, then of course it's going to turn pink. When the relaxer is completely rinsed from your hair, lather will become white. And so I love this particular neutralizing shampoo because of that. So even if I had purchased the neutralizing shampoo for the Design Essential Relaxer, I still would have used this neutralizing shampoo because it's color coded. So I love this product because of that, and plus it has a nice moisturizing effect to my hair. After my relaxer was complete, I went in, of course, and I roller set my hair. And if you've watched my video for a while now, you know that I use the Tresemme e-protector in my hair, and I've been using a Zimmy mousse, and that's what I put into my hair after the relaxer process. Once I roller set my hair and my hair was dry, I went in with the Motions Daily Oil Moisturizer. And I love this moisturizer because it doesn't weigh down here, as long as, of course, you use a pea size. So just a small amount, and then I wrapped my hair. I combed on my hair the next day as per usual, and my hair was looking fabulous. So it has been 3 weeks since my hair has been relaxed. At the time of doing this particular video that you are watching, it has been 3 weeks. So let's look at my hair and see how my hair has been doing so far. So this is how it is looking so far. And even the root sections are still looking nice. So look at that. So the root sections are looking fabulous just the same. So I'm telling you that this relaxer system is awesome, and I am loving it. Let's take a look at the back and see how it's looking. As you can see that my hair is not doing the best in terms of the split ends. As you can see that there's still a fishtail kind of thing going on there in the middle section. So maybe my only option is to cut it. And of course, you know, if it's to cut, I will cut it because it makes no sense. I leave it there and it's just gonna continue to get worse. So I might have to cut my hair in the very near future to just correct it once and for all and allow my hair to grow back down. So it's just one of those things. So let me show you how my middle section is doing so far. It's been a while since I've given an update as to how the middle of my hair is doing, and I can pretty much say that it has improved a lot, and this is how it is looking now. So if you remember what it was looking like before, so you can see the hair that was all the way down here, I've made its way all the way here. So pretty much I could cut this section off and I would leave with a nice thick area right there. So my hair, my middle section is coming on quite fine, and I'm really happy about that. So I keep growing it out and clipping the ends until it's nice and fluffy again. But I am happy with the results. A week after my relaxer, I went in with the Care moisturizing shampoo and the Care Humecto conditioner. And I'm telling you that this is a game changer for me. So especially the Care Humecto, which is this one. I love it. In fact, it comes in a big tub like the Design Essential relaxer, and I'm planning on purchasing the big tub because I am loving the Humecto. In fact, what I did just to test out how much this is quite moisturizing to the hair, I did not do a wash day the week following the first shampoo I did after my relaxer. I was just testing out to see how much my hair would remain moisturized, and I'm telling you, my hair remained moisturized for 2 weeks. Can you believe it? However, I will be giving an update on these products. I did do a review on them, so definitely look out for that video coming up soon. But I can tell you that I did love it. Of course, there are some little disadvantage and advantage of this product, and I'll share those with you in that video coming up. So, how was your relaxer day? Or are you relaxer stretching? Let me know how it's going for you in the comment section.